Is epoxy flooring worth it? The truth about benefits and drawbacks. Dear friends thinking about epoxy flooring for your home or garage, before you decide, here's what you need to know. Epoxy flooring is a tough, seamless coating applied over concrete. It creates a smooth, glossy surface that looks modern and professional. One of its biggest advantages is durability. Epoxy resists heavy foot traffic, vehicle weight, stains, oil, chemicals, and water. That's why it's popular in garages, warehouses, and commercial spaces. Cleaning is also incredibly easy. Dust, dirt, and spills stay on the surface, so a quick sweep or mop keeps the floor looking fresh. Another benefit is its attractive finish. Epoxy comes in many colors, metallic effects, decorative flakes, and high-gloss designs that can transform plain concrete into a stylish floor. But epoxy isn't perfect. Installation requires proper surface preparation. If the concrete isn't clean, dry, and repaired, the coating may peel or bubble over time. It can also become slippery when wet, although anti-slip additives can greatly improve safety. Another drawback is the curing time. Depending on the product, you may need to wait several days before walking or driving on the floor. In direct sunlight, some epoxy coatings can turn yellow over the years unless you choose a UV-resistant formula. So, is epoxy flooring worth it? If you want a durable, low-maintenance, and attractive floor with professional installation, epoxy is an excellent investment. But if you need quick installation or your floor gets constant sunlight, you may want to explore other flooring options first. Choose wisely, and your floor could stay beautiful for many years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.